Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at best controlled strategy for growing small capital into a big capital. Okay, trading boom and crash. Okay, we'll be looking at best controlled strategy. This strategy is unique. It is a controlled method that will help you to know the best time to go into the market, know when to exit the market. It will also help you to control your losses. Okay, you will be able to trade without any fear, because we are going to use a controlled lot size that will help you to stay in the market for a very long time, even if you are using a very small account. If you are having a very small account, okay, you will be able to stay long in the market. So these are some of the things we will be doing in today's video. So I want you to sit tight. This is a very important video for you all. So I want you to get your notepad ready and your pen so that you guys can take your time, can understand everything I will be dishing out in today's video. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. But before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how to make some money for yourself online, most especially in the Forex niche. So take your time, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very vital and important. Okay, and if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will also drop them in the description box below this video. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because I usually upload a training video like this every day. So all you just need to do to be part of this is to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's quickly go straight into the market to see what is happening. Okay, let's quickly check what is happening in the market before we go into the video properly. Okay, so let's quickly checking out boom 1000 at the moment, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my findings about, to do my analysis about it. It's been on a very long uptrend. Okay, the uptrend started from here and it's been going up since then. It started from here, and it started from this support level and it's been going up since then. Okay, but it has gotten to a resistance level. We are likely to see a downtrend starting any moment from now. Okay, any moment from now. So let's be watchful and let's try as much as possible to analyze better before we jump into the trade. Let's check out crash 1000. Crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator. Okay, at the moment, as we can see, it started a downtrend from this resistance level, and it's been going down, came up a bit and went down. We are likely to see it go up a bit before coming down to this support level before the market will reverse fully. Okay, so that is also very important. Make sure you do your analysis very well before you go into any trade. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, as we can see, it has gotten to this resistance level. Last week I told you in about 2 to 3 videos I did then, it's been on a full uptrend, which I actually informed you about it. You can see it's been going on uptrend, even though it tried to pull back once in a while, but still got to this resistance level. But right now it's going back on downtrend. We might see it getting to this level before it will reverse back again. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator right here. Okay, for boom 500, at the moment it is selling. At the moment, even though the trend is on uptrend, okay, it is selling. It might sell for a while before it will go back. It will go back with the uptrend journey. Okay, that will continue till the end of the uptrend. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into any trade. Make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into any trade. So let's go back into what we are for today. Okay, quickly we will be looking at the best controlled method for growing small accounts, trading boom and crash. Okay, we want to grow it from a very small account to a big account. Okay, and this method is unique and it is truly a controlled method, and by the time I will be analyzing or showing you what you should look out for and what to do, you will also agree with me that it is truly a controlled method. Okay, but before I go fully into that, remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. And also, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed now, and I will drop them in the description box below this video. Okay, let's quickly go to my worksheet so that we get to see what I have here. Okay, like I said, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. Okay, so let's check out this. Okay, these are tips to follow. Okay, the first there are 5 tips here that I will be highlighting before going to the main market properly. Okay, the first one is you should always be sure of the trend. Okay, you should always be sure of the trend. Then the next one is take note of the support and resistance level. All these levels are these two levels are very vital whenever you are trading. Okay, it can tell you if a market will reverse, it can tell you if there will be a pullback, it can also tell you if there is going to be a breakout action. Okay, all these are very important, and they are vital. They are important places where you should take advantage of whenever you are trading. Then know your best entry point and exit point. Okay, you should also know your best entry point and exit point. That is very important. All these 3, you can easily achieve the first 3 by doing the 5th one. Okay, which is having a which is by using the right trading tools. Okay, when you use the right trading tools, then you will be able to identify the first one successfully, second one successfully, and also know your best trading point. Okay, trading and exit, your best entry point and exit point. Okay, then the last one, which is using the right lot size. This is very important. Okay, you will notice that the first 3 are written out or typed out in blue color, while the last 2 are typed out in red color because they are the most important aspect of it. The first one is you having the right trading tools because it will help you to identify the first 3 easily. Then the second one is you using the right lot size. So many people have been using a wrong lot size, and they do this in just because they want to make big amount of money. Okay, consistency is what matters in trading. Okay, no matter how small you are making, even if you are making $1 per day. Okay, if you are making $1 per day and you have been doing that for the last 100 days, definitely you will have earned $100. Okay, let's now say that you are making $1 on every 1 hour. Okay, after trading for 1 hour you make $1. Okay, so $1 times 24 will give you $24, right? Okay, let's say you decide to trade for 12 hours. Okay, that is 1 times 12, that will give you $12. Now multiply that by 30. Okay, that is a lot of money, right? So that is the spirit of trading successfully. Okay, so using the right lot size will help you to milk the market. Okay, let's say you are having a huge capital. It is still good for you to manipulate in between the lot sizes. Okay, but there is one thing we have noticed. Okay, the smallest okay, if you are using a small trading capital, let's say you are using you decide to use $50. Okay, you decide to use, let me write that, have it written below. Okay, let's say you are using $50 as your trading capital. The highest lot size you can use for this is 1.5. Okay, 1.5, which can easily wipe off your accounts. Okay, let's say the smallest lot size you can use for it is 0.2. It can also wipe off your account, but it will take some time before it will wipe off your account. But it is very easy for a 0.2 to wipe off your account than for a 0.2 to wipe off a $500 account. Okay, so which means if the market is going against you, if we are in the same market, we place the same order and we use the same 0.2, you are using $50. As for me, I'm using $500. It is possible, and let's say the market is going against us in a big way, then it is most likely, in short, there is an assurance that you lose out from, you lose all your trading capital within hours compared to me. Okay, as for me, I might not lose out on all my trading capital. It is possible for the market to correct itself before losing out all my capital, because I'm using $500, because $500 is big enough to control a 0.2 lot size. Okay, is big enough to control a 0.2 lot size. So the controlled method I want to teach us right now is all this, how to use all this to control the market. Everything we have highlighted in this on this chart, on this sheet, to control the market. And as for the lot size, why can't we use 0.1, 0.01 rather? Okay, you feel it is impossible, right? Then I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so even with this, if you can use 0.01, then definitely you can control the market, even if you're having $20 as your trading capital. Even if you're having $20 as your trading capital, you can even decide to use 0.2. Okay, in order to even make more. With this, you can still control your trading capital. Okay, I always look at 10% of whatever I was using before. Okay, but this is even it's a bit, this will make you, this particular lot size using 0.02 or 0.01 will help you to control the market successfully. Okay, so we're going to see how we can achieve this. Okay, we're going to see how we can achieve this. Okay, I might need to use both the PC and the mobile phone in order for you to see it clearly. Okay, so probably I'm going to join the two together so that you guys will see it clearly and will understand what I'm trying to do. Okay, so let's quickly go straight into the market so that we understand what we are talking about. Okay, right now I'm on boom 500. Is that okay for me to use? Let me check out boom 1000. Okay, what of crash? Okay, let me use boom 500. I think boom 500 is still cool. Okay, let me use boom 500. Sorry, is crash okay? No, let me use boom 500. I just want you to understand what we are talking about. Okay, I want you, this is also an uptrend cow. Okay, let me check out another one. Okay, boom 1000. Okay, let me use boom 1000. Okay, let me use boom 1000. Okay, this is what I'm trying to let you see. Okay, number one is for you to know your trend. Okay, you can see, be sure of your trend. So I'll be using the QDC scraper indicator. It's going to show me the trend, it's going to show me my entry point, it's going to show me my support and resistance level, because I have that added to it already. Okay, this is the same strategy I used to make of $4,000 plus in my last video. Okay, it is also the same strategy I use in making over $300 in the previous one, in the last two videos too. Okay, so you guys should also follow through so that you can trade successfully using this strategy. Okay, so let's check it out. The first thing is you knowing the trend. Okay, this might be a bit difficult or dicey if you don't know your way out. Okay, most especially if you are not good with the TA, but this is it. The QDC scraper indicator is coming with the trend indicator. You can see the third indicator here is the trend indicator on a long time. Okay, it's usually notified before it goes straight into the trend. Okay, so you can see it was coming from an uptrend before, and if you should notice, you will notice that it's been on a very strong uptrend. As you can see, it's been on a very strong uptrend, and right now it is going down on a downtrend. The downtrend started from here, even though we've been having spikes all over the place, but as you can see, it is yet to to get back to the entry point. Okay, so this should be our entry point. This is the beginning of the trend. This should be our entry point, and we got our sell arrow here popping out, so that should be our entry point. Okay, our exit point can be anywhere. You can decide to exit here for now and wait till the next opportunity where you get the arrow. So far this is still red, and you may decide, you can also decide to be in this market till the end of this trend. Okay, that is also very important for you to know. Okay, so we also have our resistance and support levels. Okay, this is the resistance level, this is the support level, so you can use that as your entry point. We got our arrow here, that is our entry point on the resistance level. Then we got another arrow here, which is an exit arrow for a sell on the support level. Okay, so which means that you can exit your market right here. Okay, that is the first thing that you guys should take note. Then the next thing is, okay, let's quickly go to the worksheet. The next thing is, we've settled with the first one, the second one, then the third one we have also settled with that, because we already know our entry point and our exit point. Then the fourth thing is using the right lot size. Okay, okay, then let me quickly say this. The fifth things that we should look at is using the right trading tool. Okay, this is very important. I'm going to go back to the fourth aspect of it, but let me quickly explain using the aspect of using the right trading tools. The trading tools will help you to save some time in order to do your, while doing your analysis. Okay, that is why I love using the custom made indicators most of the time, because I don't really have the time. I usually have over 500 messages to attend to every day. Okay, every day, and I still need to do my videos. I still need to trade, because I also trade. I manage people's accounts also, and I also have to trade my own personal accounts. Okay, so all these are very important. I also need my own life too, because I need to socialize with people and do all sorts of things also. So all these are very important. So that is why I love using the custom made indicators, and I will be able to analyze the market within in a swift. Okay, it makes it very easy for me to analyze the markets and go into the trade and make my decision without wasting time. Okay, so this is the indicator I'm using at the moment, which is the QDC scraper indicator. It gives me the opportunity to do all that. Okay, so quickly we've solved that also. So let's go back to the lot size. Okay, we also realize that, okay, most people use lot size that is bigger than the trading capital they are using. Okay, for instance, if you are using $20, we have so many people that are not having the huge capital to throw into the forex market. Okay, but they have the small capital. They can easily come up with the small capital like $10, $20, $30 or $50. They are still very small capital. Okay, let's say you are using $20, and the smallest lot size you are allowed to use on the platform is 0.2, okay, which is still a little bit bigger than this trading capital to control. Okay, so if the market is against you, then it is most likely to chop off your trading capital within minutes, so that, I mean, within minutes. Okay, it is possible, and that way you keep on funding your account over and over again, and you get to a stage whereby you will be losing out. Okay, you won't be able to hold on till the very end. Okay, why can't you? What if I show you a way whereby, more especially if you're a newbie, you can easily use 0.1 or use 0.2? That will help you to control the market. Okay, even if the market is going against you at that particular time, you can still leave it open till it will get into profit. Okay, let me show you the strategy which you can use to do this. Okay, I'm going to place a few trades right now. Okay, let's check it out. Let's say you are using $20 trading capital. Okay, you can easily, okay, I will be using this lot size, which is 5.4, or probably, let me use an example for $20 trading capital. Let's say you are using $20 trading capital, you won't be able to use more than 0.3 lot size. Okay, let's say 0.3 lot size, the smallest, okay, you are allowed to use is 0.2. okay, if you should use less than that, let's try to use 0.1. you can see it's not going to go. You can see these places are not highlighted, it's not going to go. So if you should use 0.05, it's not going to go. So the smallest we can use is 0.2. you can see now it will go. So I'm going to place a sell order, and probably I should do another one. So so instead of you using 0.2, this is what I will ask you to use. Okay, because the smallest lot size is 0.2. okay, 0.2 is not going to work for us. Instead of you using 0.2, use 0.3. you should be able to use 0.3. okay, so use 0.3. I'm going to teach you what to do. Okay, I'm going to place another order with 0.3, and I will place another one with 0.5. let's say you have more capital than that. Okay, so I'm just trying to let you see some things, okay, so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, right now I will now be teaching you how to change it back to 0.01, okay, using this controlled lot size, either 0.01 or 0.02. okay, this is what you should do. Okay, let me bring out this. This is what you should do. Let's say you have 0.3 on the platform. You've already placed that order with 0.3 on the platform. All you need to do, and you want to target 0.01, then all you need to do is to minus this 0.01. sorry, okay, 0.01. okay, so that means you will have to close your order with 0.29. you need to adjust your order and close it with 0.29. okay, I'm going to show you how to do that briefly, and I'll be doing that on the mobile platform. That way you will get to see it very well. Okay, so let's move on to the mobile platform right away. Okay, welcome you all to the mobile platform. I welcome you all to the mobile platform. We'll be looking at how to reduce the lot size right now. I've placed some order using the PC after doing my analysis, so I want us to reduce the lot size so that you guys will understand the way it works. Okay, so that you will understand the way it works. So let's go straight to how to do that right away. So this is it. You can see some trades are going on already. We cannot adjust 0. The first one we did was this. We cannot adjust that because that is the smallest lot size, but we can adjust the rest from 0.3 to 0.5. You can adjust it. Even if you are using 10 points wherever, you can still adjust it. Okay, remember the calculation. Okay, if we are to get if we want to trade weights, sorry, let me close this. I'm going to come up with this again. If you want to trade weights 0.01 for your 0.3, okay, let's go to 0.3 quickly. All you need to do is to do your calculation. 0.3 minus 0.01, that will give you 0.29. so you will be closing your trade of 0.29. so I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing is to go to the order you want to close, you want to adjust. So you click on close. We want to close it. As you can see, we are trying to close it. Okay, as you can see. So but before you close it, you make sure you adjust this to 0.29. okay, then you click on close. Wow, it has closed. Right now, check it out. This is the trade. You can see right now it is being traded with 0.01. okay, the rest has been closed in profit. Okay, we can go and check it out. You can check it out here. It has been closed in profit, 0.3 closing profit. Okay, so that is the way to go about it. So let's do more. So this is also on 0.3. so we're going to, let's say I want to make it 0.02. okay, 0.02. that means I'll be deducting 0.28 from there, 28. okay, then I close. Bam, you can see, check it out here, it is being traded with 0.02. that way you will be able to control the market, and you will have close some trade for yourself in profit. Even if the market go against you, you will be able to stay in the market till it will come in profit, because this is what it will be using to trade. It won't take you into a big loss. Okay, let's do more so that you guys will get to see. This is 0.5. probably let me make that 0.3. so all I just need to do is to adjust this 0.5 minus 0.03. okay, so I'll be closing 0.47. okay, so let me close this in 0.47. Good, you can see I'm having 0.3 here, 0.03 here. so I'll be doing the same thing for this also. Okay, 0.5. so let me reduce that to 0.1. okay, 0.1. you can put it in anywhere, in any form. so I'll be closing 0.49 out of it. okay, so let me do that quickly. 0.49 0.49 out of it. Bam. Okay, that is it. You can see this, we have 0.1 0.01 0.03 0.02 0.01, and this we cannot change this because we use the smallest lot size already. Okay, so that cannot be reduced more than that. Okay, so if you should check my results here, you can see that it has closed the rest in profit. Okay, so we still have the rest running on. If we close them, then it will be added to all this as your profit. Okay, so that is the way it works. You can easily use it to control your trading capital successfully. You can use it to control your trading. You can see it's still going. Okay, you can use it to trade the trend till the very end, even if you are having a small trading capital. So it is as easy as that. So I hope you guys have actually gotten it. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to follow every steps highlighted in this video. I'll make sure
you watch this video over and over. If you are not getting it, make sure you watch it over and over till you get it. The calculation is very easy, and that way you will be able to trade this market successfully. Have your setup on your demo account and practice with it. Even if the market is going against you, wait and let's see if it will come back into profit or not. Most especially if you are in the right trend, it will definitely come back into profit, and you will be able to close your trade successfully in profit. So that is how good this is. Okay, so I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.